Et tu chassis.
If you could give us that fast travel option, that'd be great. This thing is so good. The crossbow. Just line it up. Ooh. The tingles. Scrat.
I watched it go down.
It's checking for survivors. It could be someone from outside the quarantine.
Well,
How many passengers can you take?
take Decky.
Oh, why?
Quick, get to just I need to fast travel to.
Sorry. I meant to do a drift, it didn't work.
You are no DK.
And off it again. And into a post. That's fine. Oh man.
Well, when they trip over and kill themselves.
Let me just upgrade it and put this back on.
Putting the music one back on.
Maybe.
Does it really like land in between jobs around the town?
No idea.
Dunno. You're having another Coke.
You bust one
Yep.
of them study cups.
Had one last
You're
night.
gonna get a snack.
Another
Did you
snack.
say you had one last night? What, Matt? Are you kidding me? I already told you.
Good. Oh, yellow wave paint
Matt
job.
had a study pop last night. Did you have one today, Matt?
This is sugar-free as well, so it's not.
I haven't had one today.
Yeah, I know. That's what I mean. You're
Behaving.
Unlike Tianan. Tian, you're gonna be bigger than me soon. Sprayed your Coke all over the screen, did you?
Yeah, it's all No. Oh, Matt, you're here. Let's go out into the nighttime and see if someone wants to.
No, let's do the mission.
If a hunter comes, we go kill him. Beg your pardon.
Oh, what happened to your face there?
Jazir, that was one cryptic message.
I didn't want to get into details over the radio. One of the men from town just died from the water poisoning.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Yes, we all were. He was military, and he asked us to give away all of his possessions. The last thing we have left
any
is
of
this
the-
card.
His shirt.
I don't know
Oh,
what
it's a key
purpose
card.
is.
Yeah, it's a military
Where?
key card. I mean, if it's
Oh.
properly authorized, it could open any military electronic lock.
Oh.
Well then, here, you take it.
Oh,
Maybe
yeah,
it'll
thank
help
you,
you.
babe.
Besides, we wouldn't even know what to look for.
TYBB.
Yeah, thanks, Jazir.
YBB. You got an epic beard. All right.
Thank you. Got a car. Oh,
Wait, now now we gotta go over there.
oh really? We need an explanation for that.
Well,
Oh, we're going to that nearby military crate, Tiernan. Wait up.
yes.
Wait up. We need to get Jackie and Jackie needs to go in your car.
Recall your vehicle. She doesn't need to come in my car. She can recall her own vehicle.
Wait,
And
let
then
me
keep
see what
driving
this
it.
yellow. Let me see what this yellow sherry thing looks like.
Oh yeah, I do it every single
Yellow sherry. Where did you find the paint job?
It's in the gas station's yellow wave. Oh, that looks quite nice. Green with the yellow going along the sides.
You can't see the bloody green though. It looks like black.
It looks good.
I have a legendary gun. Oh yes, we got a hunt. What do you mean no?
Wait, just wait here. Jump in my car, Jackie. I need your help with the attacking him when he attacks us. Make sure you've got UV and and the electric cage on Tiernan.
Yeah.
UV.
I was thinking about flamethrower,
obviously-
but nah.
No, electric cage like kills him slowly over time if he doesn't get off.
Oh, well,
Oh, sad.
It's because there are 3 of us.
I guess.
Brother,
probably. Alright.
Even though it'd be really
recently
easy for
observed a strange phenomenon in a mirror between 2 bridges by the bay. We'd like to ask you to investigate this, and we'd like you to resolve the matter quickly.
Florida.
This is very, very
I'm max level driving, by the way.
Same.
Lama. Get away from me, volatile scum.
Is that the bridge?
You don't go this way to get to the bridge. You go the other way. Turn right here, where the police cars are.
Even though you went left.
I went right. I accidentally went left because I forgot that I had to go right. Now I'm on the on-ramp and now I'm on the bridge. Now we'll see if I can jump over the gap, but if I cannot... Brum, 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 brum. Bang. Alright. Crack. His neck's gone.
Remember, it's on hard, so they're not like.
It's on hard?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, look, a volatile. Oh, it's a big dude. Hi there. Wait, hey, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. I missed my crossbow bolt.
I don't have any ammo. Can't really help with those.
DW. Don't worry about it. Alright.
Don't forget to loot the front of cars for parts, Jackie.
Hey, look, a volatile.
Okay,
He's just
cool.
chilling on top of that. Oh, what? We already know this.
Yeah, sorry.
No, it's all good. It's all G in the hood. All good in the hood. Alright, let's open up this thing.
Do but
Why? Someone.
someone slow me. No.
Why can't I activate it?
Maybe it's a very particular key card.
Jerkin's dead. Holy crap!
Yeah. Behind you. Shit. Oh,
Don't worry. Okay, worry. He just
Don't
jumped
worry.
up and killed me immediately.
Sweet.
What possessed you to change it to hard, man? Just out of curiosity, I don't want you to change it back. Just
I don't know. It felt too easy. I killed
Kinda,
bosses like
kinda.
one shot with a pistol.
yeah, me too. So it does kind of seem a bit easy.
I mean, I still do that, but like
It's harder.
you don't heal instantly with medkits.
Do you not?
Ooh, brakes and turbo level 5.
I can build you those.
I know, I've got them.
Okay.
My whole car is level 5, but it's good to have spares in case they break.
But you can can build
Now I
them.
don't have to craft them and I can get the screws from them.
Just buy the components, man.
Should I buy these?
What?
Brakes upon level 5?
Sure.
Okay. Can I not find those for free?
You can make them, but like you have to get to level like 12 in driving. Alright, so we can't open that one.
Okay.
Well, this gave me a king, a semi-automatic shotgun, and a something else, which I can't remember. What did it give me?
What? How did it die when I turned on the lights on my car? I'm outside, Tiernan, could you revive? Yeah, there's a big one standing over me.
Oh dear, 2 big ones!
Just shoot them with the shotgun. Twice in the head.
I don't have my shotgun equipped.
10 seconds, please.
Don't worry about it.
Turn on
Don't
my
worry
car
about it.
light. Turn on my car light.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You're fine. You Gucci. Holy crap! Why so many? Oh my god! Okay, as soon as the car lights go off, we're dead. Yeah, we're dead. Alright, I'm ready. Climb. Climb for your life. Get jerking.
My
I'm gonna
legs
get
don't
jerking
work
up.
anymore.
I'm getting jerking up. Jerkins up.
No, thanks. Why
Go
don't I
one.
know those level?
I've got a UV light on you, you cuck! Get away from me. Oh my god, what? He just double pounced me. This guy's really low, Matt. Dead. G-wipe to the heel. Where is
Oh
he?
shit, I healed him with laser.
Get in, Jackie.
What's my car? That's my car. Aye, one shot headshot. I think this is my car. I think this military truck might be part
Stay
of the
in,
story.
stay in. It's where you get the nuke thing.
Ah.
We should try and do the nuke ending.
Okay.
Investigate the phenomenon. No, we want to do. Oh no, it is a story quest.
Why does my fuel always go away?
Because you recalled your vehicle.
No, I didn't even recall it. Like, I filled it up at the place before the hunter arrived and then left. And then I drove it to the bridge.
Fine.
What are you doing? Damn, you should do
Healing takes time in this position.
it. That's your heals, bud. Jumper!
Why are we going this way?
I'm assuming there's one more. There is. Okay.
We need to get up to the bridge.
How we doing? Okay. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I'm so dead.
Oh, there's a walkway across here.
Good help.
Driveway. And our way of helping is getting to the fast travel point.
Do it. Quick. Alright, more zombies here. Die! Die!
Oh, it's a
Yeah.
boss.
Sideways. Big guy wrecked this car.
Field covered by fog. Hi there.
We have to unmute. Don't fight it. Don't
I
fight
want
it.
to kill it. Yeah, but I want to kill it. Yeah, see? Wow. His body just convulsed. Whatever that.
I've got weapons for you as well, Jackie.
Hadouken!
Ooh, DIY grenades. Look at all these DIY grenades. Hell
Military
yeah.
content.
Must have been what they carried off. What the hell happened here?
Where all the Jesus Christ, DIY grenade.
Are you there?
I want some DIY grenades.
A strange phenomenon doesn't even come close.
What do you mean, brother?
I mean, there was this huge-ass demolisher just standing there in the field. Didn't even notice me. And this weird mist, too, like what you guys had at the ceremony.
Oh, well, that's an interesting development.
What
Brother,
are you
I
doing?
can't really
Can't buy ammo for any of my guns. None of the stores sell ammo anymore.
meet me at Jassir's
Why?
farm. Soon,
don't know.
I believe you are ready.
You're lying.
No, I can't buy ammo. There is no.
You're lying. I want to test a super Molotov, by the way.
And throw it in this field of grass.
That's what I'm gonna do. Hey, field of grass. Hey, hey guys, how you doing? Okay, what's so special about that? In fact, it did nothing.
Somebody jump in.
Yeah, it doesn't take stamina to slide. Hello there, big boy. Hello there, other big boy. Oh no. Oh dear. I'm being chased by some fat volatiles. Hi there, bro. How you doing?
There's a volatile in the safe zone.
How?
Alright, you can buy a shovel now.
I'm sorry. I'm looking behind me.
Alright, well I guess I'll put all my... Oh wait, Jackie, I've got stuff for you.
Hello, faceless. How y'all been doing?
Let me just put that stuff in there. Here you go. Where are you?
I think I prefer the boss bow to the crossbow. I don't know why. I just do.
What is this gun?
It's a pistol.
I
Pick it up.
I don't really need a pistol.
Just pick it up anyway. It's a gold one.
Well, I don't have any space.
That does more damage than the
Last wish. It does.
Well, I have to get rid of something.
Well, drop something then. Drop a weapon that you're not going to use. Or drop a weapon. Drop your best weapon that's not upgraded.
Actually, do you want this as well? I just have this. It's like pretty good because it's got built-in element.
Drop one of your best weapons, Jack, that isn't upgraded.
Are you gonna upgrade it, Matt?
Yeah.
This one is my favorite. I use it all the time.
Alright. F6. No, you put a bruiser on, that's alright.
Well, yeah.
What I think.
I have one thing. I guess
Here you go.
I'm gonna go to the shop real quick.
You want me to upgrade that?
no, I don't have any more space. I have to drop something. So you can sell it or whatever.
Yeah.
I feel like I should just buy a bunch of knives and then just use them as throwing knives.
What did you put on them?
Kings.